Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, really understanding what's happening with Hbar's price, and of course what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. Shout out to you guys. Your support does not go unnoticed. It keeps me going. So continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these daily updates. But looking across the board, over the last, 24 hours, we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but, over the last 1 hour specifically, you are seeing the market, picking up traction, which of course is nice to see going into Tuesday morning. Looking at the price as of recording this update, it's currently sitting at 33 cents, down 2.6% in USD, down 2.4% in Bitcoin, compared with the market valuation at about $12.7 billion almost, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, today was a big day for the crypto markets, and globally as well. Donald Trump has officially, taken, the presidential office in the U.S., which of course is amazing to see. And yes, even though, we did not see any initial announcement regarding or, mention about crypto specifically the day before at the ball, he did mention, Bitcoin, the stock market has been doing really great, since he's been announced the president, which of course is, not a secret. No one's, denying that. But in terms of, the first day, in the inauguration, you did not really hear anything about crypto, which is totally fine. We need to realize, which is totally fine. We need to look at the major developments, that have been happening over the course of the last, 2.5 months, rather than just focusing on this specific thing. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with the broader market and, how it's impacting the price of Hbar. So, if you're looking at the dominance index here on the daily time frame, dominance index is, breaking out, and, we have broken out of that 58.6% key resistance, and, it is pushing towards the upside. And this right here is a major catalyst behind the reason why you're seeing, a red across the board for, today. But with that said, if you're looking at Bitcoin also, we don't really want to be ignoring what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been, kind of retracing over the last few hours, which of course, we discussed in the XRP update as well. We are being supported by, obviously, some of the levels that, we set for ourselves at the beginning of the year, some major, resistance, which of course is playing as a level of support right now for Bitcoin. And, we're pretty much hanging around at that specific level. And of course, if we lose this support, could we possibly get down to the likes of that 99,000 or, 98? Yes, those definitely could be a possibility. But the fact that, we're still above a six-figure price point is something that, you should not be ignoring. But, dominance being high is, the reason why you're seeing, the broader market see a little bit of a retracement. But, you need to understand what has happened for the crypto markets over the course of the last, few weeks. And, that's something that people are ignoring. But on this channel, you don't want to be ignoring this, the trend, the trajectory for Hbar. What if I told you nothing has changed, in my opinion? Yes, you're seeing a little bit of retracement. And the last comments, yesterday's comments were like, well, what are you talking about? Why are you saying this? Why are you saying that? Yes, the price of XRP, and I repeat, I'm sorry, not XRP, I apologize. No, the price of Hbar, what it was able to do yesterday was not something small to realize. We were able to get back in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level for the price of Hbar, which of course is a very, very important thing. So, in terms of the strength of the price, it's really showing us that. And of course, when I pull out the hourly time frame, it will really, kind of confirm that. But if you're looking at the price right now, as of recording this update, if you're looking at it on the daily time frame for Hbar, you are seeing, the previous, resistance as we were trying to break towards the upside. This resistance was coming in our way. That exact same resistance is playing as a nice level of support right now for the price of Hbar. And I zoom out for you guys to really make you guys understand, where we currently are, even if we kind of go back, to the historic price patterns. But with that said, let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame and really understand what we're looking at right now for Hbar's price. So hourly time frame, here we are. So look at this. This will make more sense. People are so quick to come out and say, oh, Hbar's doing nothing, Hbar's doing nothing, you're just overly bullish for no reason. No, absolutely not. If you've been following my channel at this point and you've been a follower at this point, I'm sure you guys can, really tell without a doubt a lot of people can vouch for me that, I don't just overly get bullish. If the market is indeed, or a coin indeed is looking bearish, I'm not going to be shy away from saying, that is the case. But right now, no, that's not the case with Hbar. Remember that accumulation pattern that, we were focusing on so long? That exact same accumulation pattern, you can see this for yourself, is really coming in favor for us. And you can see as we are correcting, those exact same key resistances that, we retested several different times is playing as a level of support for us. You can see this for yourself. Several different retests that we did see in the accumulation pattern, which a lot of people are calling boring. Here we are, being supported by that exact same zone, which is, of course, is amazing to see. But yes, I repeat, my yesterday's analysis update was, boom, this is a big move. And yes, indeed was a big move. We made our way back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and that itself is really good. But of course, we were unable to remain above here. It's very, very important to remain above there, because that pretty much extensifies our target to get into the to get into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which of course can lead the price of Hbar to make its way back towards all-time highs, which of course is really nice to see. And as of now, we have not retested the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but so far so good. You need to understand the reason why we're retracing right now is due to Bitcoin and dominance sitting really high right now. And despite that fact, you're still looking at Hbar holding really, really strong. Tells you everything you need to know, tells you the trajectory where Hbar is heading in. I cannot be more excited as to what this year is going to look like for Hbar. I'm very optimistic. Under the Trump administration, US-based coins I think are going to thrive, but let's see what happens, day in, day out. We're going to keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support, day in, day out, especially the real users, the real holders that understand that, crypto market just doesn't go up straight forever. There's times where you do see swings. And as far as Hbar price is concerned, it's an upward trajectory. You cannot ignore that. It's in an upward trajectory, higher high, higher lows. And that tells you everything you need to know. But we'll keep you guys covered, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.